The N95 mask machine is a fully automatic machine for the production of folded mask bodies. It uses ultrasonic technology to bond 3 to 5 layers of PP nonwoven fabrics, activated carbon and filter materials, and cut out the folded mask bodies. It can process 3M 9001, 9002, and other mask bodies. According to the different raw materials used by the N95 mask machine, the masks produced can meet different standards such as FFP1, FFP2, N95, etc. The ear straps are made of elastic nonwoven fabric, which makes the wearer's ears comfortable and without pressure, and the filter cloth layer of the mask has a good filtering effect. Well, the masks produced by the N95 mask machine perfectly fit the Asian face shape.